President Rodrigo Duterte was saddened by the passing of his predecessor, former President Noynoy Aquino. He told this before lawmakers during a ceremony in Malacanang.
It is with profound sadness that I learned of the passing of the former President, Benigno S. Aquino III, this morning. We thank the former President for his service to our country. I hope that my fellow Filipinos will be inspired by his legacy.
Duterte asked Filipinos to unite in prayer and set aside differences to pay respect to a leader who had given his best to serve the people.
When I talked to the family, I had the chance to talk to the family of them, yung namatay, I could hardly find the right words to say the condolences. So, but every time, sinasabi ko na, para naman ito sa lahat sa atin, Ecclesiastes 3. And the long and short of the message there is always a time for everything in this planet. So whatever it is, we will always have our appointed time.
The sudden death of Aquino also made Duterte reflect on his own mortality.
Sometimes we just take for granted life. But in times like this, lalo na kilalang presidente, we are always put on notice of our mortality in this world, that also we cannot last forever.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.